Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to talk about our class 8 physics, and the chapter is reflection of light by plane surface. Okay, so in this video, we are going to see the question answer of this flowing chapters. Well, whatever in these chapters like keywords, MCQ, question answer, experiment, project work, we are going to see the answer of this all. Okay, so let's start. And if you have a textbook, then you can take your textbook with yourself when we go through that one. When you get any doubt in that particular question, then you can match with your textbook. Okay na? So right, let's see, start with the first question. That's the reflection. Generally this is a keywords. Okay, and then after incident ray, reflected ray, normal, angle of incident, angle of reflection, that's the plane of reflection, lateral inversion, object distance, image distance, virtual image, and real image. So there are the 12 keywords which is in that particular chapter, and if it is clear, then I will go through the improve your learning, and this is the improve your learning, and here we can see the reflection of concept. And the first question is that if a ray incident normally on a plane mirror, what will be the angle of reflection? Okay, so you have to tell about the angle of reflection, so that is the answer. So next question is that explain the law of reflection. Okay, if it is clear, then the third question is that explain the process of formation of an image with the pinhole camera. Okay, I hope you know the pinhole camera. It is a very easy to make. In the science fair, if it is held in your school, then lots of students make that pinhole camera. Okay, draw a diagram of that. So you can draw here diagram. There is no diagram, so you can draw diagram here. Okay, otherwise create a image. Okay na? So here you can draw the diagram. Do that. Okay, so the fourth question is that why does the image in a plane mirror suffer lateral inversion? Okay, that's the answer. You can look at draw a ray diagram to understand formation of image for pointed object by the plane mirror, explain. Okay na? So generally these are the question. Is it clear? And after that we talk about application of concept. So this is a physics. In physics you will get lots of the numericals like math solving, questions, etc. So you can look at the first question is there, this is the answer, second question answer. Okay, so these are the answer only. Okay, right, so I will go next. So the third question is that explain that's the diagrammatically the image of letter B in the plane mirror. Okay, so if you like, if I tell you, this is a B, if you show that B in the plane mirror, it will look like that, it will be different. Okay, so like if you put that's A, it's become like something like that. I think like that will become. Okay na? So this is happen in the plane mirror only, and if you put L, it become like that, otherwise something like that, otherwise like that. You can look at that, how is it becoming. So it's going to be left become right, right become left in the plane mirror. Okay na? Fourth question is also you can look at. Okay, now let's see the fifth one. So in the fifth one, the question is that discuss the material and determine the using of mirror is building evaluation. Okay, and this is the answer here. Okay, right, so if it is clear, then I will go to the higher the thinking question. So in this one, this is the first question. Observe the figure. Two plane mirror at the 120 degree, a ray incident in the angle 55 degree on the AB, and find the x. You have to find the x. So generally this is the answer. If you know the basic mathematics about that one, when we have two things and we don't have the x, then what we do, we just add that and we will subtract from the 180, we will get the x value. This is a normal calculation which is already in your mathematics also 8th class. Okay now, this is a second question, this is a third answer is already in that, so you can look at that. Is it clear? Right, so this is a fourth question. Two divergence rays from the same point, and this fifth one, when an object moves towards the mirror. Okay, so these are the, and this is the answer of fifth one. You can look that. Okay na? Okay, so if it is over, then let's talk about multiple choice question, and this is the answer. I will just point it out the answer only. This is the answer. This is a third one answer 0, fourth one answer B decrease, and fifth one answer is D1. Okay, image is real. Okay, so till here, if it is clear, then suggested experiment is there. Okay, and here the first question of experiment, two question: verify law of reflection experimentally and find the plane reflections using the place in the front of mirror. Okay na? So generally these are the questions. Okay, so if it is clear, then we will go to the suggested project work. So the first is that make a solar heater cooker with the plane mirror, and this is the last one. Okay, so our chapter is completed here, and whatever in this chapter, everything is clear, I think, and I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. And in the next video we will talk about our next chapter question answer. And if you're looking for the other subjects, then just go to our channel, click on the playlist, and you will find the question answer of that one, whatever you need about the other subjects. Okay, right, so we will meet in the next video. Jai Hind.